See, this is my lights. See my equipment here. This is my equipment. After you can see the equipment here. Very nice. You can see the road that we want to maintain. You see it. You see the thickness of the road. You see the thickness of the road. Yes. So I'm going to cast it very well. And this is a Indrama Petrochemical Way Bridge. So I'm going to arrange it very well. So you can see how the road. Why the road is like this, because heavy load used to pass this road. That is heavy trucks. That is why the road is 9 inches thickness. Yes, 9 inches thickness. Don't touch that.